I'm Peter. I made design in the browser and just want to show you a bit of a bit on how it works. So when you open design in the browser, this is how it looks. It opens a browser and a terminal on the right. Up here you have your projects, and down here to the right you have some viewport settings that you can change. If you double click it, you can change the size if you want. Then you have a code button that will open your code editor, and then you have this editing button that you can toggle on and off. And if you toggle it off, you get a nice full screen view. So here I'm in editing mode, and let's say I wanted to change something in this pricing component. So I just select the element I want to change, and let's just say I wanted to, can you add a recommended badge to this box? I'll just hit enter. It puts it straight into Claude Code, which is my favorite CLI. I just have to accept some permissions, because each time I select something, it takes a screenshot of it and puts it straight into Claude Code, because Claude Code is really good when it understands something visual as well. Alright, so it's adding the recommended badge, and I'm just gonna say yes. And here I have it, a recommended badge. Okay, I can also add multiple edits at a time, which I think is quite cool. So if I select the element again, I can say, can you put the recommended badge on the edge of this box instead? And then I have this add button down here, and you can see I'm making a to-do that it should edit. And then I could say something like, can you make a blue border around this box? I can add that to the to-do. I can say, can you make a gray border around this box? So now I have a set of to-dos, and then I just send it, and everything comes into Claude Code, and it starts chugging away. And actually, while it's doing this, I can also queue stuff. So if I select something now, change this to say 10 GB, it will add it as a queued item here, and it will send it as soon as Claude Code becomes idle again, which I think is quite nice. Yeah, so that's basically how it works. It's super easy, just point, click, and yeah, you design in the browser. Yeah, that's it.